Hello folks, Big John the Dream Maker right here at 44 Auto Mart in Bardstown, Kentucky, located at 998 Frost Avenue. And boy, have I got a car to show you today. Summertime's here, it's hot rod season. You want to look good, go out there spinning around town, going on a little trip, take your lady friend out with you. A lot of good things here, but I got a 2010 Dodge Challenger. It's a little two-door coupe, real sporty. I used to actually have one of these back in the day. This one here's got a 3.5 six-cylinder. Pretty good speed. It's not the RT, but it burns a lot less gas. Still runs really good. Got a lot of pickup to it. We got the black racing stripe right down the middle of it. This is super sporty, real nice. 2010, got good rubber on it, alloy wheels. We got the two-door interior. You still got room inside here for people to sit in the back seat. Got a little bit more room than usual. Most sports cars don't quite have as much as that. You know, seat tilts back. Nice little cruiser. Looks sleek. Got a really nice design on it. Folks, this one here was well taken care of. Got the alloy wheels. We've got a full-size spare here in the trunk. Another good tire on it. Then we put this on back. Super nice looking car in the back end. Only a 44 Auto Mart. We have more than one of these to choose from. But folks, Big John the Dream Maker wants to make your dream come true on this one. We've got this one priced at, it's hard to believe, they had it priced at $10.99. We're lowering the price down. I believe we got this one priced at $89.88, I think. It's either $89.44, excuse me, $89.44 right there. Come down and see us, see one of the sales staff. Bardstown, Kentucky, 44 Auto Mart, 998 Frost Avenue. We're right between Taco Bell and 5 Star. Come and see us. Let Big John the Dream Maker make your dreams come true. One more look, check it out. 2010 Dodge Challenger. Come see Big John the Dream Maker. I'll hook you up. I'm gonna make your vehicle dreams a reality. Thanks a lot, folks. Goodbye, God bless. See you on the next one.